In a quaint little house near the end of the street is a very special bakery. Many wondrous bread can be found here. The most wondrous bread of all.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Catloaf.
Catloaf? Catloaf Adventures. Episode 1, The Bread Cat Bakery. Art and story by, I will butcher this name immediately. I am sorry. Cute Pastry with Nick Dobkin. Edited by Becca Caden. Catloaf looks like a bread, but plays like a cat.
Wing, wing.
His favorite hobbies are
Sitting
and
more sitting.
Catloaf's goals in life are Catloaf's goals in life are to go on fun adventures and make many new friends.
Whee!
I wasn't bred for this. That's episode 1. Episode 2.
Catloaf Adventures. Episode 2. Ready or not?
This is Ryloaf. Meh.
Hi, Ryloaf. What you doing, Ryloaf? What you doing here, Ryloaf?
Leaving.
Catloaf, you still have flour on your foot. Ooh, where are you going?
Not here.
Ooh, can I come?
Meh.
I always wanted to be not here.
I'll go find a napkin. So have I more than ever.
Wow, we're so soon. See what's it like to be not here?
Catloaf.
Yes?
Tabs got your napkin.
This is Tabby Loaf. Tabs for sure. Thanks, Tabs. It's brand new. Whoa, Catloaf. You look like you wanted to go on an adventure. Adventure?
Oh no.
Let's go on adventure! Why am I here in the first place? Oh, God save us.
If you want me to read this comics, I guess I will. I will. Top comments. My moods are either Rye or Tab. There is no in between. Episode 2, an already relatable character. So cute. I really want a cat, but Mom won't let me edit it. Oh my God, this is my first time top comment. Thank you so much. Sure.
Catloaf Adventures. Episode 3, Adventure Calls.
So Catloaf set off for adventure.
To adventure! Where should we adventure? Hey, Ryloaf, where would you like to adventure? Wow, you want to adventure on the table?
Sure.
How about you, Tabs? Where would you like to adventure?
Well, guess my table idea just got floored.
I think I want to adventure in this place. It's so warm and comfy as possible. Wow, a bread basket. I thought this adventure. Oh, I know perfect adventure place for all of us. The cellar. Yeah, I always bounce by and think that place looks super dark and scary. Let's go.
I'm not sure. I want to adventure here.
Yeah? What's that?
What if we just don't adventure at all?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Cat Loaf, say something if you're okay. If you don't say anything, can we go home?
I'm okay. Ooh, shiny.
Last episode, guys, and then I'm done.
Is this safe?
Would you rather roll down the stairs instead?
How'd you know about this jump later?
I look up before I leap.
Cat Loaf's Adventure. Cellar of Secrets.
Cat Loaf, if you fell asleep, can we leave? What's wrong, Taps?
I'm scared. It looks super scary and dark.
Taps, you know about dust bunnies.
I thought dust bunnies weren't real.
Why?
Because you can't see them.
Well, since you can't see anything in the dark, you have nothing to be afraid of.
Haha. Right, Loaf, you're funny.
I
have a right sense of humor.
Oh wait, that's him. Or I don't know the gender. Let me retry this. I have a wry sense of humor. Let's quickly find Cat Loaf and go back upstairs.
Right, Loaf? Are you sure dust bunnies is real?
Mm-hmm.
Then what are those?
Oh, crumb. No, the only thing was the dust bunnies, cinnamon bunnies. And that's all for today, folks. Bye-bye.